got a Grovemade Desk Shelf, and it's amazing. It's beautiful. It's walnut, and in the package they send you this little card that says Grovemade and your instructions on how to put it together. It's like 3 easy steps. It's how to make a video on it. There's tons of it on YouTube. So, and then they send you this little card, handwritten card to make you feel warm and gooey inside for spending $220. So it says, Adrian, thanks. Enjoy your new setup. Rawr. I don't know how to say that name. If you can figure it out in the comment section, let me know. But that's not my complaint. My complaint is that, I bought this expensive premium. That's the word everyone loves using in YouTube when it's expensive. Premium desk shelf, and I thought I didn't have to do anything with it. Just put it on your desk, stack stuff. You're good to go. That's it. It looks good in videos, pictures, like I've seen in YouTube and Instagram. It just looks amazing. So I didn't do anything to it. And if there was steps to do stuff to it, I'm most likely gonna mess it up, and it costs way too much for me to do that and screw it up and then be pissed off that I messed up my desk shelf. Alright, so this is my current desk right now, and it's just something small and simple. Upgrade something later on in life. But as you can see, I have my 3-in-1 wireless charger on here, my monitor, a headphone stand. Basic stuff you should put on a desk shelf, right? So I went to go move this desk shelf, and I noticed, hold on, let me turn the light on for you guys. I noticed, you see these little like white lines on my wood? So I don't understand until I lift this up and I realize that I also put this there because I want to keep my thing here, so kind of protect the wood. So I put that under my charger just because I noticed that on the bottom there's these little rubber feet that's causing these little white lines on my wood. So I asked people on YouTube that have the same desk shelf or Instagram, and I asked them, hey, do you notice any white stuff on your wood? No one would answer me. So I don't know if it's like some kind of cover up or what it is, but one dude actually replied. He was like, ew dude, what the fuck? And then I kind of realized I was wording it wrong. So I made a video to show people that maybe it's just me that have this problem. But I don't think so. So if you have this problem, come forth. Let Grovemade know. Grovemade, if you're watching this video, what is the solution to get the white stuff off my, to not let this happen to my shelf? Please let me know the solution. Is there something I'm supposed to buy and rub on my wood? Is there something I'm supposed to buy and apply to the shelf? Let me know.